students, in this video we are going to see the topic under for the integral calculus, which is application of double and triple integrals. The knowledge of double and triple integrals is nothing but when you do the normal integrations which you can able to apply is in the applications is nothing but finding the area for the double integral, finding the volume for the finding the volume for your triple integrals, and as well as we are going to study about the center of gravity. This all as an applications topic under for your integral calculus. Okay, so the formula for finding the area and volume, it's double integration over the region dx dy is equal to area of the region capital R in Cartesian form, and then double integration over the region R dr d theta is nothing but area of the region capital R in polar form, and then triple integration of dx dy dz is nothing but volume of the solid in the Cartesian form. And same thing you can able to go with the volume in terms of your polar form also, which is r sine theta into dr d theta. Okay, and finding for area also is that it's not much important for it's coming for an exam point of view, and it's coming for the example problem. Find by the double integrations the area enclosed by the curve r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta between theta varies from 0 to pi. So what is given? F of r comma theta has been given, which is a of 1 plus cos theta. So which is f of r comma theta, right? So now the curve is symmetrical above the initial line, which is given the curve, okay, above the symmetrical line. So as per this curve, it will be in like this. The shape of the coordinate will be like that, and you have a limit will be a minus a to plus a, you will be having it, okay. So the curve symmetrical above the initial line, the value of r for the like a certain angle of theta. So theta is 0 to pi. As per this, you can see it will be the angle will be 0 to pi you will get, okay. That means it will be there completely first and second quadrant. So substitute the theta r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta. In that theta is equal to 0, you can replace it is be 2a. Pi by 3 you can replace it will be 3a by 2. Pi by 2 you can replace it is a. 2 pi by 3 you can replace is a by 2. Pi will be a 0, okay. So now you can see the shape which I explained already. Now the area formula, it is in the polar form, right? So what is that polar form area formula? Area is equal to double integration of r into dr d theta, where r varies from a of 1 plus cos theta, and then theta varies from 0 to pi. R varies from 0 to a of 1 plus cos theta. So now can substitute here. R is your variable limit, theta is your constant limit. So it will be outer limit and this will be a inner limit. So now what is that? Just you can substitute integral 0 to theta varies from 0 to pi, r varies from 0 to a of 1 plus cos theta, r into dr d theta. So now what is that? You can integrate r will be r squared by 2, 0 to a of 1 plus cos theta. So a squared will come to the outside, by 2 already is there, a squared by 2, and then 1 plus cos theta the whole square. 1 plus cos theta I can able to write 2 cos squared theta by 2, right? So 2 cos squared theta by 2 the whole squared, can write it. So it will become 2a squared of, what will happen? This 2 will get cancelled, okay. These 2 will be getting cancelled. So you will get 2a square integral 0 to pi cos power 4 theta by 2 d theta. Because it's a whole square, it will be that total you have 4, right? This is a whole square, so only one term will get cancelled. Now to integrate, what I am going to substitute, I am going to take a phi for theta by 2. Theta by 2 is equal to pi, so d theta will be 2 into d pi, and then phi varies from, theta varies from 0 to pi, pi varies from 0 to pi by 2. Just you can substitute 2a square integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4 pi into, what is the d theta is nothing but 2 t pi, okay. That's what we have written, 2 d pi. Now just you can integrate cos power 4. You can use the formula for the reduction formula for cos power n theta. So what is that? N minus 1 into n minus 3 odd number by n into n minus 2, okay. That's what is written into k. If n is an even, so k will be a pi by 2. That reduction formula you can substitute. 4a square into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 by the reduction formula. Therefore, the required area A is 3 pi a squared by 4 for the coordinate equations. Okay. Now, we'll go for the next example. Find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, comma, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So, what is that? We need to find a volume of the tetrahedron, and all the applications, the limits will be starting from lower limit will be a 0. Okay. Upper limit we are going to calculate from the given curve which has been given. As we know the volume integration, what is that? Triple integration of dx, dy, dz. So now what is that? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, which implies z is equal to, what is that? C into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. If z is equal to 0, what will happen? I'll be getting for x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That is y is equal to b of 1 minus x by a. So y varies from 0 to b of 1 minus x by a. If z is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, what will happen here? Completely it will go 0. I'll get x is equal to a. Now, v is equal to integration, volume v is equal to x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b of 1 minus x by a, and z varies from 0 to c of 1 minus x by a minus y by b. So what is that? Just you integrate, I'll be having 0 to a, 0 to b of 1 minus x by a, and then c of, what is that? Integration with respect to, first with respect to z. Only z alone I will get, c of 1 minus x by a minus y by b into dx dy. Now, just you can take out the c term. With respect to y, you can integrate y minus xy by a minus y square by 2b, 0 to b of 1 minus x by a. Integrations, next thing, 0 to a, you can substitute the limit, upper limit. Lower limit will completely, it will go 0. So, you can substitute only the upper limit, b of 1 minus x by a, and minus of x by a into y will be b of 1 minus a. Here the whole square will come. This you can simplify a minus b the whole square and do the maximum simplification before into the next integration. So I got b of 1 minus x by a into 1 by 2 of 1 minus x by a. It's nothing but 1 minus x by a the whole square. When you integrate with respect to x, what is that? 1 minus x by a the whole cube by 3, and then minus x by a, you can do it, minus a you will get. Okay. So minus a by 3 you will get with the limit of 0 to a. So substitute your limit. So it is nothing but minus of abc by 6 of, this will be a 0, upper limit will be, you will be having 0 minus 1. So what is that? V is equal to abc by 6. Okay. So the required volume of V is equal to ABC by 6 cubic units. Okay. So when you substitute limit here, you see already minus ABC by 6 you have. You can substitute your A. So what is that? A by A will be a 1. That's what 1 minus 1 will be a 0. When you substitute 0, 1 alone you will get it. So upper limit will be a 0. Lower limit will be 1. Okay. So the volume of the given tetrahedron is nothing but ABC by 6. Okay. So that's all for your application of double and triple integrations. Thank you.